Well, in this section, I'm going to teach you how to shut down your computer when you're ready to go to bed and move on with your life. All you need to do is scroll down to the Start menu, click on it. Well, once you have clicked on the Start menu, you'll notice that it says Log Off and Turn Off Computer. Very reasonably easy, but once you click on Turn Off, you'll see a couple of options. You've got Standby, Turn Off, and Restart. I'll explain to you how each one of them works differently to the other. Now, what Standby does is that imagine that you have a couple of programs running like Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word, or perhaps Windows Messenger, and if you click on Standby, the computer would log off into a state where once you log back in, all those programs would be in the same state as you left them in. It's a pretty cool feature where it saves energy, where you just stand by the computer, all the other resources are halted except for the programs that you're running, and once you come log back on from a standby mode, you'll pretty much have everything that you when you actually press standby, what you had running on your computer. Turn off, however, does exactly the opposite of standby. What turn off basically does is once you click on turn off, your computer will be shut down. Any programs or any unsaved data that you might have will be lost, and but any saved data does not matter, because when you turn on the computer back again, you can just access those files. But any data that you have unsaved or any programs running, if you turn off the computer, it would just, once you turn off the computer, it will be shut down. There'll be no power. All programs and all power will be shut down. And in order for you to start using your PC again, you'll have to turn on the power again and get everything back up. And it's going to be, well, everything's basically going to be refreshed, and it'll be like a new session. Restart, well, you can use this button. It pretty much does everything the same, as similar to turn off, but as far as restart is concerned, once you press restart, the computer would just restart automatically and would not be shut down. How they're different is turn off shuts down the PC and the power does not come back on. Restart, however, would shut down the PC, shut down all the programs that you have running, and once you restart, all of those programs will be refreshed and it'll be a new Windows session, as in case of turn off once you restart the station. And obviously then you have cancel. If you don't wish to choose either one of them, you just click on cancel, and well, there you go.